Rapid prototyping is absolutely critical to the speed of the project. Working with Stratasys and their team working with ours to rapidly prototype through 3D printing technology has really made a huge amount of difference.
Additive manufacturing has tremendous potential to accelerate your development cycle, where you can iterate very fast, test ideas, and make very quick adjustments and changes and evaluations.
Stratasys Direct allowed us to move directly from an in-house 3D printing process and move directly into a manufacturing-ready process without a major redesign.